M0FXB Hamtech, welcome to my videos on the YAESU SSM-BT20, and we're going to be testing it on every YAESU radio I have. So we've got the FT5, FT500, but we're also actually going to test it on some Icom radios, but not all in one video. So let's get the item open. So the previous one was the SSM-BT10, and they're promising better audio with this model. And a different design. You've got the PTT now, a large PTT here, where before you had this small sort of telephone. So let's have a look inside the box. Taking out the box like this. Now I've never used this, but I think it should be quite straightforward. So let's take it out. They normally come with sort of a few extra little bits in them. So let's compare it just quickly. Oh, it's already got, that's quite handy. It's already got the this clear rubber bit on already, which I like. Of course, the new thing is USB-C charging. The old one was micro USB, and you had these sort of rubber grommets that went over the edge, and also the earpiece, which you can flip if you were right-handed or left-handed. So I do like the look of it. I think it feels nice quality, so no complaints with the way it looks. Let's see what's inside this package here. There's no instructions in the actual box. Let's see what we get in this package, but I'm sure it's pretty straightforward. Just stuck down really, so you're sort of forced to peel this off. Ah, there's the instructions. Oh, quite a lot in there. So it looks like you've got some spares for definite. Different fitments for different size ears, that looks like to me. Okay, well, let's get the ear hanger on there. It looks like we're probably going to have to take off that and put one of the ear hangers on. So let me think now. I probably put it in my right hand here, so would it go that way? So just gently ease that over. Try not to put too much force on it. I don't really mind if I'm right-handed or left-handed. Now regarding these earpieces, let's take them out the pack. Let's put them there. And we'll show you the instruction manual. So one document is just an EU declaration. Okay, that's not a manual. The actual manual, I have actually been looking online to see if I can download this manual, and I couldn't find it. So if someone's got a link to it, please send it me. But yeah, all the information is going to be there. Let's get the English side. The basics are, we try and get clear picture. It's quite hard to zoom, isn't it, really? Anyway, number 1, press and hold for 3 seconds to turn it on. Number 2, pair the SSM-BT20 with the connected radio. And then pairing is complete when it blinks blue. 2, when connecting to a previously paired transceiver, press and hold for 3 seconds, activate Bluetooth, and it should just auto connect really. Okay, and then in RX mode, the receiver audio will be heard in the earphone when pressing briefly the button, UPTT. Using a wireless Vox function, yeah, you just turn on the Vox. So it says here, number 1, when you start talking, the paired transceiver will automatically TX. So you just basically turn on Vox. Nice and basic. What's this little thing here we're seeing? Oh yeah, charging here, USB-C, and then you've got the description there of the buttons. So it says volume up, down, charge, multifunction button, basically the PTT, press and hold for 3 seconds, and power off 5 seconds. When the Vox function is connected, radio is not activated. Each press switches the transceiver and transmit so basically Vox, when you talk, it goes PTT. And that's it. So compatible transceivers. On the advertising, it says FT3D 600 5 and 300. It doesn't mention 400 if it's got the Bluetooth module, or the 500, which I think is quite strange. But we're going to test it, of course, with that. So just looking at this and the pieces that come out, it looks like you put this over the top. Yeah. Just wiggle it on there. Okay, don't really need lubricant, but yeah, it's gonna, I'm sure it will help stop you snapping it off. It's quite thin where it goes on there, isn't it? That little gap where the ear thing sits is actually quite thin. So look at the other one. Yeah, same on the other one, never really noticed that. So that was going to work, and then you just choose the one you like for your ear size. I'm sure there was an extra one, yeah, a blue one here. Got a blue one, which looks bigger, white. Choose your size, and then looks like we've got 3 of the grommetry type ones. So I'll probably just leave on the one that was on there when it came out of the box, which is this one. And yeah, it does go on. Honest. Just a bit awkward holding it away from my face, so I can't properly look at what I'm doing. I would say adding some lubricant was probably a good idea, and I accidentally turned it on when I was playing around with it. So I'm going to hold it for 5 seconds and turn it off. I actually heard it say power off then. So let's have a look at turning on the Bluetooth on the FT5. Just show you what's written on the side here. Bluetooth headset, BT20, FCC, IC, that's what you're seeing. So let's hold it for 3 seconds and turn it on. 1, 2, 3. I can just in the distance hear it saying power on. Then with the FT5, we're going to go hold down menu, go to option, tap, go to Bluetooth, which is off at the moment. Then we're going to go turn it to on. Okay, and then search. Now I've never connected this before. So we'll do stop. And is it that one there? Let's go connect. That's better. I sort of deleted everything that was there before. So then we'll go connect. And it's a shame you can't hear what I'm going to hear. See how long it takes to connect. There you are. Now it says connected. I am finding it's when I put it to my ear, that if I just poke that bit into my ear, it just falls out of my ear. Let's try this bit. Now the older one didn't do that, which is that sort of style. So we'll try that as well. And these aren't going to stay in your ear, are they? I don't think they will. They don't poke in enough. Yeah, when I just left that part on, I find that does stay in my ear. So it's quite, see the hanger? It's quite loose, where the previous one, which just clipped on actually, look. That's actually a tight, a nice tight fit on mine. On my ear. I wonder if it would fit on there. Just testing things out really. Come off and then peels off. Yeah, they've made it a bit fiddly, haven't they? Really? Because it's quite hard to get things on and off, and then that means it's easy to break them. Let's just clip this one on. See that? that with the one that was on the previous model, for me, works better. Let me just try it on my ear. You know, that works better for me, to be honest. I know it's not the best image, but look, with the way they tell you, with the, that's what we're getting. I'm sure it'll work fine, but it just feels like it's just keep falling down. Yeah, well, you know, you decide. But for me, the fittings in the BT, the older one, work fine with it. If I put them on, I can use it. If I put the other ones on, it keeps falling out of my ear and it's too loose. It's too rattly. Let's test the audio. I ended up putting on the one from the BT10. Let's check the PTT. So to PTT, if I just briefly press and then press again, and let's actually have a chat. You won't see the earpiece, but I'll tell you what it sounds like. I'll call into, we're in HubNet there. Okay, I've got it in my ear now. It is loud and clear audio. So we got KB2, KBD there. I'm going to try and jump in and just break in. M0FXB break station. And just get an audio report from them. Now, there is our settings. If you hold down F menu, options, Bluetooth audio. If you turn it to fix, you can hear both. You know, you can hear the radio. Turn it auto, you just hear the earpiece.
Two months ago. That's why gravity is a big change between.
I'll see if I can get in and get an audio test. Right, we did call break.
Stuff here is a little behind. My tree just blossomed out here in the last week when we had that one warm day, and it's like everything started popping, and I got beautiful pink colored trees.
We'll try again with a break. When you change the volume on the radio, it does change the volume as well. Can't seem to get in. What I might do is go onto my test server and then quickly flick it across to auto to fix so you can hear it come back. Okay, we're on our echo test now using All-Star. So let's go to the menu again. Hold down F menu. Options. Bluetooth audio number 4. We'll go to fix and we should hear both now. So if I just go in echo test, I've got the earpiece in my ear, of course. M0FXB test, test, test.
Playback. M0FXB test, test, test.
I think that sounds completely acceptable. Now let's try it with the older one. So we'll go menu. Sorry about that. Back, hold down menu. Options. Device list. And then we're going to delete. Will it let me? I might have to disconnect first or turn it off. Let me just turn it off. So to turn it off, you just hold it down for 5 seconds. Turns it off. Then we'll put the other, and I've got no problems with the other one. You know, when I used it, I liked it. So just putting them side by side, very similar in size. Right, so let's do a search. Go back to Bluetooth number 2, F Then we'll do search. Oh, it needs to disconnect that. Okay, disconnected. Now search. Hopefully it will find this. There you go. Connect. And now I'm going to do, once it connects, we'll do the same audio test. It sounded fine to me. It wasn't super loud, to be honest, but it was okay. It was usable. But I know when you're outside, you know, you do need it quite loud because there's a lot of background noise, isn't there? You know, I'm finding that the SS-BT10 doesn't really want to connect to that. That's okay. Let's try the FTM500. And I will say that the SSM-BT10 does connect with the FT5. So let's test the SSM-BT20, the new model, with the FTM500. So first thing we'll do is just go to the Bluetooth settings, hold down the function, and let's find, I'm pretty sure it's under options. So if you turn the bottom one, go to options, there it is there, Bluetooth, number 111. You can create a shortcut just by holding your finger on it, like so, on the function button. There you go. And you've created a shortcut to it there if you want to just do it that way. So now we can just go brief press, Bluetooth, and you go straight to the settings. So it is off, so let's just go down to device and let's press it, search. Turn it on, hold it down for 3 seconds. Fingers crossed. There it is. No, that's not the right one. There it is there, SSM. So that's good. So we need to just stop it and then connect to that. So you're going to let me connect. So we just push the button. Come on then. Let me connect. It lets me go up and down to the other ones. Go like so. So I had to push this button to connect, okay? It's now saying connecting and connected. So that's good. Yeah, and it definitely is working with the FTM500. You can't hear it, but I've just done a test. Let's just do it one more, and then I'll see if I can go into the menu. If we do the, and then tap Bluetooth, which is 111, remember, go down hit to where it says auto, and then change that. Do that again, F, Bluetooth, go down with the top button, press, change it to fixed, and you should hear on the headset and the radio. Now I'm just going back with the back button. So I'll just quickly go push this, I'll talk into this and then you should hear it back. So PTT, M0FXB test. It's the usual sort of Bluetooth audio. I wouldn't say it's good, but it's definitely there. Let's do it again. So we'll press the PTT. M0FXB test 1 2 Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo.
Playback.
No, it's not good.
Hello, testing 1 2 3.
Oh, someone else is testing there.
Hello, testing 1 2 3.
And that's that station. Let's do it again. M0 also testing 1 2 3 M0FXB. PTT works fine.
M0 also testing 1 2 3 M0FXB.
Okay, sounds fine. Now what I'll do it with the microphone. See if you can hear a difference. Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo test.
Playback. Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo test.
And that actually sounded better, didn't it, with the Bluetooth? So that was a good test for the mic. Let's do it one more. Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo.
Playback. Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo.
It actually did sound better with the Bluetooth. That's the funny thing. One more time. Mike 0 Fox X-ray Bravo.
Playback.
Mike 0, Fox X-ray
Yeah,
Bravo.
so that's a big thumbs up, isn't it? So I'm curious to know why the BT10 didn't, my one just didn't connect to the FT5, but I've done previous tests and it does work fine with the FT5. It is nice that it's got USB-C charging and you get a lead here. And I think I need to just tinker around with the settings. Just press the, hold down the F. Remember it's 111, enter. That's the one we're connected to. So what we could do is just turn it off. 5 seconds to turn it off. That's off. We'll grab the older one, turn it back on. Okay. Just hold it on. 3 seconds on, 5 seconds off. So it should be flashing away. Let's do a search. I need to learn these keys, don't I? So back, Bluetooth, and then we know it's on. Maybe we should disconnect. Then, right, why is it not letting me tap the, see that? It's not letting me tap the search. It is a touchscreen device. Try again. Right, searching now. That's good. Let's turn on the BT10 till it finds it. Yeah, it looks like I need to charge up the BT10. That's why we sort of failed on that. But the BT20 worked fine, I would say. So there you go. It does work on the 500, the FT5. Haven't really got any other devices here on YAESU. And I will just quickly chuck my Icom on and then we'll end the video. It's flashing away. Go menu, set, Bluetooth, pairing connect, device search, headset. It's flashing away, trying to find something. It has found it. Go cancel connect, go yes. Now the test is to see if it works on receive and transmit. I'm pretty sure it'll work as a speaker. So we are already connected. Okay, let's have a quick key. Oh, it actually PTT'd. So that's good news. So it's in my ear. I'm going to give a call out on HubNet. M0FXB audio test. Anyone receiving me? See if anyone comes back, and then we could do the audio test for HubNet. Yeah, so I can hear it coming through, which is good news. So basically, it does work with the Icom 705. And my guess is it will also work with the Icom 52 as well. So let's try it. We've got the flashing away. We're going to go menu, set, Bluetooth, pairing connect, device search, headset. Try that again. Full head. Oh, we've got to remove one. We've got quite a few there. Let's remove them. Let's go like so, quick, and then delete. Yes. Delete. Yes. Oh no, we don't want to connect. So let's go back. Let's do a search again. Pairing connect, device search, headset. Hopefully it will pick it up. Icom 52. Yep. Yes, we're going to connect. And PTT it says. Go back with the VFO button. And then we'll try it. So we'll go PTT, press it once. Not going into PTT. There you go. It did go into PTT. M0FXB. I think it's 2 presses. M0FXB test. Press it once to D key. Yeah. And I can hear it. Yeah, it's definitely working. Yeah, and I can hear it. It's actually sounding really good. So you've got PTT and receive audio with the SSM-BT20. So overall, I like it. What I would say is that they need to, I think, YAESU need to come up with adapters that are more like the one that was in the SSM-10, because as far as I can see, if you put these ones in, it falls out of your ear. And the, you know, get me wrong, tell me if I'm wrong, but this, the hole is too sloppy. And it just swings around. It doesn't hold the device, because obviously you want it to hold the device at an angle, like that's nice and stiff. Okay, you want it to hold it at an angle where you can talk into it. You don't want it to, every time you put it in, just fall like that. So that's why. But the actual physical device, you know, the unit with USB-C charging, with the audio receive and transmit, with the PTT. And the quality, fine, no problem at all. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Bye for now, 7-3.